Thank you, Lutz. Palakpakan natin si Atty. Lutz sa sampu ng kanyang mga kasamahan. Si Atty. Lutz ho, nakilala ko may bangs. We've been together almost 3 decades in this building. Simula nag-umpisa ako, abogado ko na si Atty. Lutz Elvis. Kaya nakita ko po nung araw, nung medyo bata-bata pa kami, lagi kami gumaganon. Kasi nahumulog yung buhok namin. Pero ngayon, steady na lang kami. Palakpakan natin ang Atty. Lutz. Thank you for your service and your people under the city legal. Keep it up. Sabi niya kanina, kung natagpuan niyo na daw ang inyong hilaga, paano kung walang hilaga? Meron kami nilaga. Good morning!
Good morning!
It's a good morning for us, especially to MDRRMO and all other agency that we have acquired some machineries that will continue to clean up our city. To our Vice Mayor and the members of the City Council, to the department head, gusto ko rin i-welcome ang ating bagong kasama po kami ni Secretary Angara the other day, and officially ipinakilala na sa atin ang ating bagong Direktor, Superintendent at pamunuan ng SDO, Dr. Gayola, si Doktora. Yeah. And good news, ang ating dating OIC ay mananatiling Assistant Superintendent, Lumeda. Welcome po sa Maynila. We're very excited working hand in hand with you. And with that, we have a very good surprise for you. Alam po ninyo, pinipilit talaga natin na magbuti at mag-inam sa pinansyal na aspeto ng ating lungsod. And tama si Lutz. Totoo po yung sinabi niya. May mga bagay sa buhay leader na kailangan mong gawin dahil para sa kabubuti ng higit na nakakarami at pangmatagalan. There are things in governance, what you call the immediate solution or immediate effect, katulad ng Band-Aid. Also, meron ding midterm or midway, short term, whatever you call it, for the next 3 years or 5. Meron ding long term, that will take effect 10 years or 15 years. But today, sa maliit nating kaparaanan sa punang ating mga kasamahan, sa mga pagpapasya, giya o direksyon ng ating fiscal situation, medyo umaayos-ayos naman ng kaunti. At sa patuloy nating pagsisikap, sama-sama tayong nagsisikap. Ngayon po meron akong announcement para sa ating mga kasamahan sa naglilingkod sa bayan, mga mag-aaral, institusyon. Thank you, Paul. Palakpakan natin mga taga-city residence office. Today, we're going to release our financial assistance to Iris at 6.5 million pesos. At siyempre, yung mga masisipag nating mag-aaral sa UDM. Salubong ko sila kanina dun. Sabi ko, hey, kayo flag ceremony. Sasaya kayo. Ang ating UDM, 5,551 students will receive their baon na kaloob ng lungsod ng Maynila for the month of October, November, of almost 11 million pesos. Siyempre, pag may UDM, ay PLM. Sa mga mag-aaral, shout out sa mga mag-aaral ng PLM. Yung allowance ninyo, para wala nang... alam po ninyo, yan si Lutz, testigo rito. When we were councilor then, vice mayor then, I really opted to pass this law and implement this law for the simple reason, yung mga mag-aaral natin sa UDM, and thanks to sumalangit na kanyang kaluluwa, Alfredo S. Lim, no, who built UDM, and thanks to Mayor Lacson and Mayor Villegas for creating PLM. Diyan kasi nag-aaral yung mga kinakapos nating matatalino at masipag na kabataan ng lungsod ng Maynila. So that's why I opted to create and pass an ordinance to give them allowances para walang mag-aaral na hindi makapasok kahit pamasahe man lamang. To the 8,675 students of PLM, you will receive your October, November, December worth of 26 million pesos student allowance. To the grade 12 of SDO, 6,452 for the month of October, November, December, 9,678,000. Siyempre, nag-aabang din yung mga asawa ng pulis. Wala kayong kawala, may announcement lagi. Para sa ating mga masisipag, may balbon sa dibdib ng mga pulis Maynila. To the men and women uniformed personnel of the Manila Police District, you will receive your entire fourth quarter 2025 allowance from your city government worth 26,025,000. Umigit, kumulang 4,000 yan na less po. Bukang-buka. Bukang-buka ang akap sa inyo ng mga asawa niyo mamaya pag-uwi. Today, our partners in Manila Fire Department, you will receive your October, November, December, 387 of them, 2.7 million pesos. To the PIDEA, you will receive your October, November, December. Pag nahuli ng pulis, sok pa sa oblo. Sa oblo, may bantay. BJMP, 400 of you will receive your April, May, June 2025 for 3 million pesos. Kompleto na. Less po. PIDEA, Eurofire, MPD, PLM, UDM, IRIS. Tapos last week, yung 6 na quarter na obligasyon ng City of Manila in the past. Nabigay na natin yung 2 worth about 117 million pesos sa PLM para magkaroon sila ng breathing room because ang pera nila hanggang Marso na lang. So kailangan magbuti tayo para pagdating ng Abril, hindi na tayo mag-incur ng obligasyon sa kanila, updated tayo. To our almost 11,000 teachers in the City of Manila, 11,633, you will receive this week October, November, December worth 69 million pesos. Shout out sa mga teacher natin. Alam po ninyo, sa mga teacher natin, one of many is a true-blooded product of public education system. Delpan, Tulungan Center. Kung alam niyo, kung inabot niyo na, yun yung God Andres Bonifacio Hospital ngayon. Dating Tulungan Center yun sa Delpan. Tapos Rosauro Almario Elementary School, Tondo High School. Ayan, sabi nila nung araw, lagi ako nalilito nung mga grade 1, grade 2 ko. Sabi nila, mababang paralan ng Rosauro Almario Elementary School. Sabi ko naman sa sarili ko, paano naging mababa, fifth floor? Now, I'm happy to put a smile to almost 26,000 individuals, students, enforcers, teachers, across this financial assistance being given by your city government. Palakpakan natin ang mga taxpayers of the City of Manila. And I'm also happy to share to you that we have answered, as of Friday, more than 19,000 letters of the people of Manila. Answered and addressed. Yung mga may kahilingan sa aking mga sumusulat na mamamayan ng lungsod. In just 7 months, 19,000 plus letters answered by your city government. And as I've been telling you, mga kasamahan ko naglilingkod sa bayan, na kinakabahan din kung may sweldo wala, lalo na nung nakaraang 6 na buwan. Mukha namang hindi masyado tayong kakabahan itong 3 buwan na to, or what you call first quarter. But it's not only about savings, it's not only about efficiently spending and surgically addressing delivery of social services, creating short-term plan and building, and creating long-term plan and building it. So we're just not saying or stating our words, mga laway-laway lang o pang-usog. Hindi. We create, we build. Non-stop. Simultaneously address our fiscal situation. And I've been talking through the help of Paul and our consultants, talking to Land Bank of the Philippines and Development Bank of the Philippines for some, what you call, if I may put it in a right perspective, financial engineering. I'm happy to inform you, to each and every one of you and to the taxpayers of the City of Manila, that utilizing your persuasive power, utilizing your authority as the local chief executive, and whatever that we can utilize to persuade or inspire others to help us And today, I'm happy to share to you. Salamat to at napagbibigyan at napagbigyan yung mga idea natin on how to do or what you call kalikutin yung mga numero. And I officially sign, and by tomorrow it will be received by the City Council. The grant given to us by Land Bank and Development Bank of the Philippines. Una, nakadiskwento po tayo. Hagling mo ito talaga. Para itong rubber band. But I'm happy. And, you know, with all humility before you, we have done it. In the next 3 years of our city, of our life, of the city government, I'm happy to share that we are going to generate 1.2 billion breathing room for our financial situation with regard to our relationship to DBP and Land Bank. May tuldok na. Ilang buwan ho yan. Nagpapanik-panawag kami ng mga laway, idea, konsepto. But today, officially, with all humility, it's done. So, anong ibig sabihin niya? Teka, nakasave si Yorme ng 1.2 billion. Hindi po yan savings. Hindi po savings. Ibig sabihin, nabawasan, hihinga, bubukan dibdib ng ating kaban. Yan ang epekto niya sa atin. So, kaya pwede ba akong makisuyo to the President of Land Bank, to the President of DBP, and board members of this government financial institution. Pwede ba palakpakan natin sila? Maraming salamat sa kanila. Kaya po, bilang panghuli, nakikisuyo talaga ako sa inyo. Magbuti kayo sa kanya-kanya niyong opisina. Pipilitin ko pong maging mainam at masino at manatag kayo. Ano man ang mga natutunan ko, ano man mga paraang makabago, whether through abacus, trigonometry, calculus, pati geodetic engineer, pahanap ko, makwenta lang kung gaano pa tayo kalayo o kalapit sa araw na inaasahan natin together. At dumating ang araw, balanse na. Balanse na. But I cannot do this alone. I need your cooperation. So the taxpayers who are listening right now, I think what you heard a few minutes ago is that habang tinutulungan tayong buhatin tayo ng mga mamamayan, ang pamahalaan naman naghahanap din ng pamamaraan o ibang avenue na kung saan maisayos natin ang ating pananalapi. So, I need your help. Please help me for Manila to recover. Umaasa ako sa bawat isa sa inyo. February na po. Sino ang walang jowa? Taas ang kamay. Pambi, wala kang jowa. Wala ka? Masyado ka naman pihigan. Baka mahuli ka na sa biyahe. Malayo-layo pa tutuban dito. February, araw ng mga puso. Manatili sana katulad na sinabi ni Atty. Lutz. Pagmamahal, hindi lang sa jowa. Pagmamahal, hindi lamang sa mga anak o pamilya. Lalo pa tayo, mas mabigat sa atin. Kasi bahagi tayo ng pamahalaan. patuloy natin iparamdam ang pagmamahal sa ating mga nasasakupang mga taga-lungsod ng Maynila. So, kaya sana habang minamahal ninyo ang inyong mga sarili, mahalin ninyo ang inyong trabaho, palagaan ninyo, at ipakita natin ang malasakit at pagmamahal sa bawat tao na pupunta sa atin. Magbabayad man, tutok din man ang obligasyon niya bilang mamamayan, o hihingi ng tulong. Any John Doe and Mary who will go to our building in our respective offices, we must make her or him feel that they are being valued. Mahalaga sila. So muli sa inyong lahat, mag-iingat kayo. Isang linggong pag-ibig. Lunes, ang tayo'y magkakilala. At sana, pagdating ng linggo, ikikasal ko na kayo. Huwag kayo mag-iwalay. So, again, buong kababaang loob, I'm happy to say to you, the January thing gave us a lot of breathing room. And hopefully, we can achieve the same on February. And I will continue to report and share to you our failure, our challenges, and little success along the way. You are always going to be part and informed on what's going on and where we are going every now and then. So, sa lahat ng mga kapwa ko lingkod bayan, I love you. O, araw ng mga puso. O, pakisabi mo nga sa wakali mo. Tingin ka sa kaliwa mo. Tingin ka sa kaliwa mo. I love you. Tingin ka sa kanan mo. I love you. Good morning. Pagpalain nawa kayo ng buong may kapal. Maraming salamat. Manila! God first. Thank you.